You live, you love, you laugh together, you have happy moments, you have sad moments, but you all stay together in their own place, in that place that you call home. We have spent time looking into what we need to buy, what we need to put. All together, this has framed into this beautiful little cozy space of ours. I got to know about Bonito from the YouTube channel, and I kept browsing through the videos, and I wanted my home to be very modern and at the same time pick up personal things that belong to us and our individualities. They kind of understood what we were looking at, what we needed in our home, and eventually what came out as the final product from Bonito was what we were desiring. There is no second doubt about it that what we wanted, what we saw is what we are getting. This home, when it was created thinking about all the three personalities that are there in the home and their different individualities that were there. As a family, ever since we've moved into this home, we always feel that it's so much of positivity in our lives, so much of color, and I think so much of calmness at the same time to be in a space that you like. If you ask me about how would I rate Bonito, I would probably rate 8, somewhere between 8 to 9. And I am a very, very happy member of the Bonito family. Thank you so much, and thank you for making my dream home.